Help is on the way for those suffering from addiction. A new addiction hotline for Erie County will launch in less than 24 hours. Lawmakers have been working on it for months after seeing an increase in the number of people dying because of opioids. News 4's Rachel Monjovi shows us how the hotline will work. Rachel?
Callan, the countdown for this addiction hotline is here in just 10 hours. Trained counselors will be on standby to support those battling a drug addiction. Here in Western New York, opioid overdose numbers are expected to double this year from 2015.
And if we don't try to do something now to slow that down and have an impact now, we really are going to lose the battle.
In April, Erie County lawmakers proposed creating an addiction hotline after the death tolls from heroin and opioid overdoses spiked. Now, 4 months later, the 24-hour hotline is ready to launch. The goal of the countywide hotline is to provide the community with a quick and easy way to find information, support, and treatment for addiction.
My hope and my goal is that by us as a community continuing to show and talk about the need for help and also setting up systems to provide that people will feel more comfortable to reach out for help.
Crisis Services says over $300,000 from Erie County went towards creating this hotline, but they admit there were delays in finding qualified counselors.
We've had some issues with hiring and finding individuals in the community that not only have the specialized background, but that are willing to do 24-hour work.
Officials say this hotline isn't just for those addicted to opioids, it's for any substance abuse addiction.
We wanted to keep it general just because we don't want to then have people who are struggling from other types of addiction not feel that they don't have a place to turn to. But obviously the focus on the pain medications and the heroin issue and everything that's going on has been the driver of getting this going.
The Crisis Services Addiction Hotline will launch tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. If you or a loved one is battling a drug addiction, you can call the new 24-hour hotline at 831-7007. In the newsroom tonight, Rachel Monjovi, News 4 at 10.